All right, so let's go through an example. So let me replace the HTML that we have here. So I just changed the heading. However, so it's still 4 list items. However, the classes are changed. As you can see, all of them have a class. First one has a class of A, second has a class of AB, third has a class of BCA, and the last class has a class of BCABC, item 4. And actually, let's comment out all our previous stuff. So it's starting from here. Okay, so let's add a few classes. So let's do a list item class with the upper chevron equals A. Now let's put the font size kind of similar to before. Let's do the font size of 120%. Let's do another one, list class. Let's see if I can get it there. Cool. And then let's put a background color of yellow. After we've added them, I'll explain exactly what each one is doing. So let's do it. And last one, list class. Now let's do the same. Oops. Asterisk equals A. And let's do the color equals red. Cool. So what's exactly happening here? So for the first one, let's do a new example. So you could differentiate, or I'll just put it all the way here. Now for the first one, this matches any list item where the class starts with A. So as we can see here, item 1 and 2 get bumped up to 120% font size. And we can see here that only the first and the second one start with A. That's what you do with the upper chevron and then equals. So if it starts with that. Now for the second one, it matches any list item tags where the class ends with A. Oh, I actually made a mistake here. So this one, actually there was a mistake there. As I can see, it was meant to be a $sign instead of the asterisk. So this matches the tags where the class ends with A. So you can see that the styling has changed. So now this only affects the first item and the third item, as we can see here. So that's what the $sign equals means, if it ends with the class of A. So this one's if it starts with the class of A, this if it ends with the class of A. Now the last one, so class asterisk equals A. Now this targets any list item where the class contains A anywhere in the value. So as you can see, this matches all 4 items as they all got the color red. And as you can see here, all of them have A within their class.